Have you ever wondered who pays the GST when you book a cab or order food through an app? Today, we're decoding Section 9, Subsection 5 of the CGST Act. This section introduces a unique deeming fiction. It treats the platform or eco as if it were the supplier for tax payment purposes, even though the service is rendered by someone else. One major sector is mobility. When you book a taxi, motorcab, or even a motorcycle through an app, the platform is responsible for collecting and depositing the GST. In hospitality, Section 9(5) applies to hotels and guest houses. If the owner isn't registered for GST due to low turnover, the platform pays the tax on their behalf. The same applies to household services like plumbing or carpentry. If the service provider isn't registered, the e-commerce platform takes on the GST responsibility. Even your food delivery is covered. Platforms like Swiggy or Zomato pay the GST for most restaurant services, except for those located in high-end hotels known as specified premises. While platforms must register for GST, small service providers are often exempt if their turnover is below 20 lakh rupees, reducing their procedural burden. Ultimately, Section 9(5) shifts accountability from thousands of small providers to a few large systems, ensuring better traceability and efficiency in our digital economy. Understanding these rules helps both businesses and consumers navigate the GST landscape. Thanks for watching.